Are you a lover of cake, but you are worried about fat or gluten? You need not to worry. Here are some natural ingredients you can use in baking cake for yourself, your aged parents, and loved ones, and it will come up wonderfully well, just like the cake you used to know. Here are some wonderful ingredients that you can use in baking your cake, and it will come out perfectly well. Here are some lineups of my items. I have my honey here. I have my milk. I have my vegetable oil. Here is my egg. I have my acha flour. Here is chaff of Tigernut and Debinu. I have my oat flour here. I have my salt and my water. So let's go down to the baking process proper. If you have watched up to this moment, I know you really want to know the outcome of my wonderful acha cake, but I want to use this opportunity to pause and appreciate all my returning subscribers for your constant support, your liking my work, supporting, sharing, subscribing to my channel. May God bless you. You know I love you. Then for those people that come across my video for the first time, please write on the comment section that today is your first time of seeing my video, so I will specially thank you, appreciate you for coming in, for always liking my comment. Please remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you know whenever I post a new video, that you will learn and prepare your wonderful delicacies with nutritional packed value. You can never go wrong with whatever meal you prepare from my channel. Thank you for support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always tuning into my channel. May God bless you. You know I love you. Mwah.